This is so hard.
And I don't like cooking.
This is art. It's not even cooking.
It's both, which makes it way more complicated because I'm really not good at either.
So this is a very different What the Flavor. We're both very passionate about pancakes and not very passionate about art. So we thought, you know what, we should come together and
Why not mix them together?
You guys have to vote in the comments who is the best artiste, and whoever wins gets to be a winner because we don't have budget for a prize.
It's more whoever loses, the other person gets to take their phone and then tweet any picture that they can find on it.
I don't have nudes.
Yeah, I think that's probably everyone's first reaction is like, oh, no, just like really embarrassing, like 50 selfies at a time.
I wish I had nudes. The photos that are on my phone are way more embarrassing.
You know, I did used to take oil painting back in the day. I don't think this is similar, but
You did?
I was very artistic as a child.
All right, Bridget, what do you have for us? This is round 1, by the way.
Is there manila envelopes that are all...
Manila. What is manila?
I don't know who invented that word. I always thought it was vanilla back in the day, and then I was very confused.
What is this?
Prunes.
Oh, prunes.
It's gonna be some ugly ass pancakes.
I'm just gonna do a little test.
Okay, so it doesn't look like it's too hot anymore. Basically, you keep it at a... God, these are really hard to get out.
Would you like me to snip your tip?
That would be lovely.
Sorry, Bridget.
It's like, everyone cover their eyes!
We do have health insurance. Okay, guys, I'm feeling actually pretty good right now. I'm feeling pretty good.
Is that still a sample, or is that your prune?
This is my prune.
Oh, you're just doing a big prune. That's a big ass prune, okay.
Yeah. Did you know that when your fingers get pruny underwater, it is because your body is adapting to the moisture so that you can grab things. I saw that recently on this. Instagram can teach you things, guys.
Depends on who you follow. So basically you let like your first layer kind of dry. I'm pretending like I know what I'm doing. I really have no idea.
Wow, this may take longer than I thought. I'm not really sure if this is as pruny as I thought it would be at this stage. I wish we picked another fruit to be associated with.
When we started saying prune, we never were associating it with the actual, like, physical prune.
I know, it was a misstep. It was a misstep.
I'm just curious where
we could have said spoon, but no.
Oh, it just needs to rhyme with prune.
Or boob.
It looks kind of like a panda.
I'm not done yet. You guys thought I was done, please.
You don't multi-flip pancakes.
Look, don't tell me what I do.
I'm just saying that's not a technique.
Have you ever been at my house on a Sunday morning?
No, you haven't invited me.
This is kind of awkward.
Ooh, that kind of looks like a galaxy pancake.
It kind of does.
It's totally what she was going for.
I think people are gonna vote for me as the winner.
I would say that my shape and design wins.
I'm gonna just do a little editing.
Oh.
I'm just gonna
Photoshop in real life.
Yeah, exactly. This is what I wish I could do in Photoshop. This is 3-dimensional.
That looks like a prune if you ask me, or a kind of possessed smiley face.
Mine looks like a 3D, like I printed it on a 3D printer. Like I put this design in and this came out.
I don't think you know how 3D printers work.
All right, round 2. Let's do it, Bridget.
Do you want to open the manila envelope this
Because
time?
I feel like I won the last round, so yes, I
definitely.
would love to.
It was close, but...
Oh! Okay, this one I really want to do well because Kylie might see this, and if she's impressed, then maybe she'll call me for her next party.
How exactly do you think Kylie's gonna see this?
Because she watches everything.
Totally.
Kylie, comment in the comments, girl. I see you. Help, I need to make black. Or I could just burn that piece.
Oh.
And then that'll make it black.
That
That's a
is a
strategy.
possibility.
That's a strategy. Oh, I think I can make black.
I'm gonna focus more just on the lips. Look at that, that's a pretty good lip. Do I fill in the lip although? This is confusing.
I think you're supposed to do it backwards.
I think so too. I'm gonna flip it, but then when I cook this side, this will be the final side, I believe.
Crap, I forgot to do it in mirror reverse.
These are just gonna be like the teeth, I think.
Why does yours look good?
Okay, well yours is just, I don't even
mine.
understand what's going
Should I
on.
maybe do some teeth when I turn it over?
Oh my God, it looks kind of like a weird bloody football.
Friday Night Lights, coming back.
Oh, I love that show so much.
Oh, I lost a drip. I think this is beautiful. I am gonna send this to my mom and be like, stop asking me whether I have a real job or not.
I will not be becoming a pancake artist anytime soon.
I'm gonna give you a big plate because I think you'll eat it.
Thank you. Honestly, after this, now you are gonna win. Like this took such a turn.
Look.
It was really neck and neck for a second, and then
Guys, that is not far off.
Well, it's not good, but like this is gonna be worse, so you'll still win.
Look at this. This is beautiful.
Literally, it's just like abstract germs. This looks kind of like a heart, maybe.
No, it's a lip, contrary to what you might think, Lils.
Do you have a good view of what's going to be a
make
huge
sure we have
failure?
shots.
I need like a third one. I need you to get that piece. Do we have another one? Both sides, both sides. Other side too.
What other side? I can't reach over there.
Nope. Okay, well it's now 4 different pancakes. It's like a puzzle, it's fun.
You can piece it back. Wow! Wow!
Just need a minute.
Your mom. Final design.
It's sound guy. If any of you aren't familiar, there's really nothing else to say. That's our sound guy. Can I just do the pickle?
No, we have to do sound guy's face.
I don't want to. No one's gonna want to eat that.
To be fair, it's probably the easiest thing we've done all day. It's just a round head and some eyes.
Those his eyes?
Yeah, because they're black. Because he has like a dark.
No one has black eyes!
Have you seen him when he gets really mad?
You're literally talking about him like he's a comic book villain. Here's his receding hairline.
I wish he was here to watch this.
I don't.
He would really love it.
And then he has a nice straight out smile. It looks just like him, right?
Kind of does.
I'm just glad he's not here
look,
because he would be
that
making
is
a bunch
close.
of really embarrassing dad jokes, and we've been over with him that for every 50 jokes he makes, only one really lands.
Now then do I feel
How the hell are you gonna flip that?
Oh,
See, yeah, how did you not learn from my mistake?
well, watch this.
It's really satisfying to fill it.
I feel like his eyes turned out beautifully.
Yeah, there's a lot of life in them.
Oh, I hope his face survives.
It will. I left it on and let it cook enough that I think.
Okay, he's got a big face. I gotta get a bigger hole. Oh no.
You can see it very faintly.
I feel like we should get some paint. Would you like some black to fill the
Oh,
eye?
I could do, but it's not cooked, so then you have to.
No, it's okay. Wow, we might be here for another hour. Because I really want to hold the integrity of his fullness.
With a black smile.
What?
You're really into the black teeth.
Well, he doesn't have a green one.
See, look at I reconnected him. He just like had a little plastic surgery that didn't go that well. This is clearly a lifelike portrait of Sound Guy, if I've ever seen one.
Mine's almost ready. Look how good.
I did such a bad job. I just ripped it apart again. That was accident. Do you
Mine?
need help? Do you at least need another spatula?
I think I'm good.
I think.
I'm trying to decide whether I'm ready or not. Just massaging.
Yeah, I can see it's a little creepy.
Free
Bring it
it.
very like slowly in section.
Well, I'm gonna get it to flip, and it's gonna be pretty.
I just want to remind you that it's supposed to be Sound Guy.
I'm so nervous. I don't know if I can.
So you're just gonna let him burn?
Ready?
Flip it.
Oh! Boo, 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 boo!
I need everyone though to like, can you flip it around? You did a Squidward nose too. Look at the droopy
I know,
nose.
but look, that is so close, Lily.
I think mine is so.
Oh my
close.
gosh, you guys.
You win. She wins.
It's thrilling. Look at this split screen. Look, even the the frown and the gaze is over to this side. I think we
Is
should
the pancake on there? I can't even tell.
I think. This is our first pancake art challenge, and I'm feeling real nice.
I think I need to work on my flipping technique, but I feel pretty confident other than that.
And I also think you need to work on your patience technique. You just flip too soon.
Yeah, patience is a big problem.
All right, guys, so you know what to do now.
Art seems like to be the biggest problem for you.
You shut your mouth. You're my friend.
Let us know who won in the comments below, and then we have to tweet a picture. It's gonna be her.
Yeah, and then I get to go through Lily's phone and pick an embarrassing photo and then have her tweet it out. And then I might tweet. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, because this is the best thing you've ever seen on the internet. Let's be real. And we'll see you back here next time.
And if it's not, just lie. Oh my god, guys, I really hope you enjoyed that episode because it was obviously amazing. But guess what? There's even more amazing episodes if you click somewhere over here. There's a really good one waiting. I don't know what it is, but I'm sure it is amazing. Also, you should click the subscribe button, which is somewhere around maybe like here, because that would just be nice, and then you'll see all the videos and you won't just have to click that one because you'll have already seen it.